Right, question 8 then. It says the first term of a GP, so you know it's a GP. The first term is 81. The fourth term is 24. Okay, so you're supposed to find the common ratio of the progression. So it's very straightforward. Let's use that 24. So we're going to say that you know that the formula for a GP is T sub n equals to A R n minus 1. So this is what we're going to use, okay? So we know that's 81. We don't know have that, but we know the fourth term, right? And we know that is equal to 24. Okay, so that gives me 81 R cubed equals to 24. So R cubed will be 24 divided by 81. Okay, now if you were to punch in that 24 divided by 81, you will get 2 over 3, or 8 over 27, which is 8 over 27. All right, so in order for us to find our R, therefore, we need to take the cube root. So we take the cube root of both sides, and that is going to be R equals to 2 upon 3. So that's our common ratio. Then they are saying the sum to infinity. Again, sum to infinity is given by this formula here. So that is going to be 81 first term, then 1 minus 2 over 3. So again, grab your calculator and just work out what that particular value is. So we have 81, and then you have 1 minus 2 over 3. Okay. That gives us 243. Okay, so that is the solution to part B. Part C, the second and third terms of this progression, okay, are the first. So the second and the third term of this progression, all right, are the first terms and fourth term of an AP. So we know that this one here was a GP. And now let's look at our GP. What is our GP? The first term was 81. Then our common ratio here was 2 upon 3. So what do you say then, if you take to find the next term, right? So you say 81 times 2 over 3, that will give you the second term. So that is 54. And if you multiply 54 times 2 over 3 to get the next one, you get 36. And once I'm here, I think the calculator has it now in its right, or let's see. So it's 36 times 2 over 3, okay, it's 24, 81, 54, 36, that's a 24, and so on. And then we say, okay, let's take 24 times 2 over 3, well, to get 16, and so it goes. So they're saying that this progression, the second term of this progression, which is the 54, it's the first term, and the fourth terms. So the third term here, the 36 will be the fourth term of that progression, which is an AP. All right, so what do we know from our new? We know that our A is 54. We also know that the fourth term is 36. Right, working from our T sub n, which is A plus D n minus 1, we know we can say 36 is equal to A, which is 54, plus D, that is the fourth term, right? So this will allow us to calculate the value of D. So plus 3D. So we can clean this up, okay? And once you clean this up, you get that D is equal to -6. Now, we know what our A value is, respectively. We know what is A, we know what is D. So now they are saying, find the sum of the first 10 terms, right? So the formula we are using here is the sum of n terms, so it's going to be S sub 10 equals to 10 over 2, okay? Then you have 2 times 54 plus, then you have -6, and inside 10 minus 1. Okay, so that's 5 times 108 minus 54, and it will give me an answer of 270. So again, make sure that you get to understand this particular question.